Whoa.
So I wish I'd fall through that way we have a YouTube.
Oh yeah.
There, put the camera.
This is exactly what I was told not to do growing
David!
up.
Are you okay? Holy crap! Holy Dude! Be careful! Dang. It's thin ice here.
YouTube video! Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's keep it rolling. What is that?
Right there, right there, right there, right there. Cousin, get it.
What the heck
there.
happened?
Right there.
It's just the bullet's still spinning?
Oh my gosh, we're getting it, dude. Oh, there goes.
He shot the bullet and it literally hit perfectly to sit there and spin. I've never seen anything like that. All right, keep it going. I'm liking some icy stuff. You gotta love hunters too. All we do is just laugh at a person in dire circumstances. That's what we love.
This is not very thick.
No, dude, it gets thinner over here.
It's a big old boy too. Is he gonna punch through that ice?
No, I'm sliding over here.
Just didn't go for it.
Oh, now you gotta get stood up. Oh, like a freaking ninja. Go come over here.
Go, 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 go! Oh, I thought he had it. He worked so hard. Oh! Oh! Dang, he got a little bit more than what he was expecting, but he was fishing on thin ice. Let's go, let's keep it rolling. Dude, if you can only have those skills on the dance floor. Dude, straight up moonwalking. Oh, he's doing the push and pull. He's skiing. Cross country. Oh, he grabbed the hole. Oh, yes. Yes, oh, thank God. That poor individual. Icy situations. What else we got? Anything else?
There he is. Come on. Yep, hold on, hold on. Go, Purvis, come on. Grab that.
Oh, he's not coming up. He goes in. He comes out with him, baby. You know he went into the depths, shoulder deep, behind the gill, dude. All right, that was good. Icy situations.